Today we're making chicken candy. We have chicken, onions, and all-pepper seasoning.
Yes. We will start by adding our chicken into the blender. It's already washed, so I'm just going to put that in the blender. Oops. Don't touch it.
So cold.
We're going to add some onions and the all-pepper seasoning. I'm going to cover and blend that all together. So in here we have our chicken that we blended with the spices. I'm going to empty it in here. Can I have your spoon? I'm going to add a pinch of salt, not too much. We're going to add some pepper. We're going to give it a really quick mix. Going to cut some parsley and some spring onions. We're going to add some ginger powder, just a sprinkle. Some oregano, just a sprinkle as well. Next, we are going to get our bread and cut them into circles. Let me help little chef. Okay, nice job. Okay, do that. Nice.
See? Nice and neat.
Nice job.
1, 2, 3, go. We cracked 2 eggs.
Going to beat the eggs, right?
Yeah.
So our little chef already prepared the bread for us. We are going to get a handful of the chicken that we made. Going to put the bread on top. Nice. Okay, just like that.
Like a hamburger.
Yep. Then we are going to dip it in our egg that little chef made for us. And then last, we'll move it to our breadcrumbs and coat it with that. So this is how it should look like. Going to put this on top. Smush it a little bit.
Smush it.
Make sure your chicken is all in there. Going to dip it in my egg. And then my breadcrumbs. Let me help you. Turn it, or you can sprinkle the breadcrumbs on top, any way you want it. Going to make into balls for the rest of our recipe, as big as you want, okay? And then going to still dip it in our eggs and the breadcrumbs. Just roll it in the breadcrumbs. Going to set it aside. Egg mixture, crumbs.
See how I'm doing it?
Yeah, you're doing great. I'm going to also mix some without the crumbs, just for me.
Oh my gosh, my hands are messy.
Your hands are messy?
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, we wash it after. For the rest of the chicken, we are going to add about 1/2 cup of flour. And little chef is going to mix that. Now our chicken candy is ready. It's time to go fry. is the end of our chicken lollipop or chicken candy. And this is going to be what we are having for dinner. Thank you so much for watching.
Please leave a comment. Please subscribe.
As you can see, this is very yummy. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in another video. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.